Hello, cloud enthusiasts! In this video, we will discover the most popular open source NoSQL database offering from AWS called Amazon Keyspaces. After watching this video, you will know how Amazon Keyspaces can help migrate existing Apache Cassandra based applications to the AWS cloud. Meet Jose. Jose is an architect working for a fictitious enterprise. Jose is responsible for designing reliable solutions that can scale with the organization's growth. For this reason, Jose used Apache Cassandra, an open source, decentralized, and highly scalable row-oriented database with no single point of failure. Jose's organization started with an Apache Cassandra cluster, consisting of a few nodes. However, with the application's continuous growth, the cluster size grew to hundreds of nodes running on hundreds of physical computers. Jose realized that managing this large cluster causes a lot of management overhead. The nodes must be provisioned, patched, and frequently maintained to operate the underlying infrastructure and require a team of experts 24/7. In addition, he also learned over time that scaling the Cassandra cluster requires regularly adjusting complex configuration settings, manually adding or removing nodes, and rebalancing partitions, which can adversely affect availability and performance. Luckily, Jose attended reInvent 2019, where he learned about Amazon Keyspaces, a scalable, highly available, serverless data store compatible with Apache Cassandra. He discovered that there is no operational and management overhead because of its serverless nature. This was precisely the feature Jose was looking for, not worrying about hardware provisioning, configuration, replication, software patching, rebalance partitions, or cluster scaling is truly a dream come true. Because Amazon Keyspaces is fully compatible with Apache Cassandra, it stores data as key value pairs in columns grouped in rows. In Amazon Keyspaces, rows are the first-class citizens stored in their respective partitions, categorized in tables, and uniquely identified by primary keys. Jose was pleased to learn that Amazon Keyspaces provides consistent single-digit millisecond performance without over-provisioning costly clusters. And because no upfront investments are required to use Amazon Keyspaces, Jose's organization only pays for the used capacity, therefore optimizing cost. Regarding data durability, Amazon Keyspaces replicates data across 3 availability zones without the extra cost for inter-availability zone data transfers. Jose was also curious to know how the Amazon Keyspaces cluster would scale as their application demand increases. After learning about the on-demand and provisioned capacity modes offered by Amazon Keyspaces, Jose discovered that using on-demand capacity is beneficial for unpredictable loads because you pay only for the actual reads and writes performed by the application. However, Since they know the traffic pattern of their applications, they can benefit more from provisioned capacity. The provisioned capacity mode will allow them to optimize reads and writes by specifying the required capacity in advance. At the same time, the auto-scaling feature will enable them to scale the capacity up and down. Amazon Keyspaces provides encryption at rest by default when creating a new table. In addition, Jose and his team can integrate Amazon Keyspaces with IAM for access control, CloudWatch for monitoring, CloudTrail for auditing, and with several other AWS services. Jose quickly migrated Cassandra workloads to Amazon Keyspaces and benefited from all the above features. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.